welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. Actually, I have 3 orders from PacSun, so it is all mixed up. I'm not sure which is which, so I try to look up my order, but somehow from the email I cannot look it up. Lucky I took some of the screenshot, but let's go ahead and open this up, and then I'll try to tell you as we go along with it. Let's go ahead and cut this open real quick. See if I can get the invoice out, if I can find it. Where is it? Oh, right here. So these are the orders that I have. But unfortunately, this price is all wrong. Total damage is 200 something. What the? $1,200 and then $72.95. That is bogus. I'm not sure why PacSun, they always do that. They didn't correct the price. Let me check. All right, so these are the 5 of the PacSun. Collaborate with the Budweiser logo black long sleeve t-shirt. I picked up 5 of this small size, and it was like $5 times 5, so it's $25. And then I also picked up 4 of the PacSun that was collaborating with the Playboy long logo t-shirt, black color. And then a small size. Somehow with that, I gotta contact PacSun, because when I check out, some of the price reflected and changed it. I believe it was supposed to be like $7.50 or something, but it came out to be $30 for 4 of them. So actually, I'm just gonna open 1 of each. Wow, look at that. Size small. Why they look so big? So here's a Playboy box logo, black color. Let's see. Wow. And these are the Budweiser. Actually, see Budweiser PacSun, size small. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I got 4 of the Playboys. So let's go ahead and open 1 for you guys to check it out. This is much way cheaper than the one that I picked up from Anti-Social Social Club. Oh, actually, Playboy White Label Edition. So there's a silicone super dry silica gel. And I'm glad they put the tissue over the printed logo of the Playboy. So here it is, nice. Playboy by PacSun, made in China. And it is 100% cotton, size small right there. And there's your R number. On the back is the care instruction. Actually, this is a pretty soft material and stretchy. So actually you can see through, okay? Still a good material though. So there's one right here. On the back it is plain. And then let's go ahead and open one of this long sleeve Budweiser. So you got the Budweiser in black on the left hand side of the chest. So this one is size small and then made in Vietnam instead of China. So actually this is way cheaper than if you buy in the store, PacSun store. Wow, look at that. That's why I picked this up, because of the printed on the sleeve. You got the Budweiser 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have Budweiser on the left hand side of the sleeve. Pretty big font. And this is a pretty soft material compared to Supreme. There you go, Budweiser. Nice print on this as well. Go check out this Budweiser logo. There you go. Come on. All right. And then on the back, you got this, wow, a big Budweiser logo, king of beers, brewed by our original process from the choice hops, rice, and best barley malt. So right here is kind of messed up. Is that like a black or gray thing? I'm not sure what's that, but anyway, I cannot complain. This is only like $5. If I customize this by myself, just a shirt alone worth more than $5. Plus all this painted graphic gonna cost you even more money. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for the On Body Fit. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.